Stand from there.
What's your name, sir?
Joshua Poppin.
Case number 23044-888, People of the State of Michigan versus Joshua Poppin. Counsel.
Good afternoon. Austin Gregory, PA 5193. On behalf of Mr. Robert, who's present by Zoom, in the name of his constitutional rights, ways from reading and standing.
The court's going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Is there anything else to find from people?
Thanks, Judge. The people in this matter are also going to be asking for 10% cash surety with GPS tether, home arrest. Your Honor, first, the people would like to point out the age discrepancy in this matter. As well, Judge, this case is a result, allegedly, of the defendant not being allowed to bring his barbecue grill into the residence that he shares with the complainant. Your Honor, as a result of the defendant being told not to bring the barbecue grill into the residence, Judge, which the complainant disapproved of, this defendant ended up taking hot grease and throwing it allegedly at the complainant, as well as taking that barbecue grill that he wasn't allowed to bring into the residence and throwing it at the complainant, Judge. Your Honor, at the very least, we feel as though this defendant is a danger to the complainant based on his actions and feel justified in asking for that cash bond with tender house arrest.
Okay. Counsel.
Your Honor, Mr. Poppin, we do ask for a personal bond. Mr. Poppin, understands the nature of these charges, understands that they are assaultive in nature, and also understands the no contact order that the court will place on him, stresses that he is a Detroit resident. He was 42 years old, and he does require a caregiver, Your Honor. He's attempting to get into a state facility currently. Would like for his file to be marked medical.
Okay, DDC, please mark his file medical.
But we do ask for
Yes, Your Honor.
With a no contact order.
Okay. All right. The court has reviewed the investigator's report, has also heard representation from the people as well as from defense counsel. So these are very serious assaultive allegations. The allegations include throwing hot grease on someone, causing a small burn to her arm. Also, allegations include throwing a barbecue grill and striking the complainant with such. The court does find you to be a danger specifically to this complainant, not necessarily to the general public. You're not to have any contact, sir, with Gene Williams, no physical or verbal contact, no contact by way of text or social media, no contact with her place of employment or residence. You're also not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons. The court is going to order a GPS tether. Should you post bond once I tell you what it is? All right, sir. Court does find that a personal bond is not likely to be satisfactory in order to prevent possible danger to this particular complainant. The court is going to take the recommendation of the people and set your bond, sir, in the amount of $10,000, 10%. You have a pre-trial date of July 14th, 2023, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Garrett, Judge Austin Garrett. Is this affordable for your client or not?
This is unaffordable, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, there will be a bond redetermination hearing scheduled for this Friday, July 7th, 2023, 9 o'clock a.m., 36th District Court in front of Chief Judge McConaughey. All right, sir, you may step away from the camera. Let me see who this is. You said your name is Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Hold on a minute. Is it, Green Ward or Ward Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have two matters here with us. This is case number 230-55139, people of the state of Michigan versus Dietrich Juan Ward Green, also known as Dietrich Green, Dietrich C. Green, Dietrich Juan Ward, Dietrich Juan Ward Green, all one word, Dietrich Juan Green. And you also have case number 220-45564, people of the state of Michigan versus Dietrich Juan Ward Green, Dietrich Green, Dietrich C. Green, Dietrich Green, Dietrich Juan Ward, Dietrich Juan Ward Green, all one word, Green Dietrich Juan Ward. Okay. Appearances, please.
Austin Gregory, PA 5193, on behalf of Mr. Ward Green, who's present by whom the mayor wears constitutional rights to waive from reading his.
All right, court's gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Stand by for a second, please. Say that last part again. Is that microphone on?
Your Honor, one of the complaining witnesses on the case ending in 139 is Mr. Ward's mother, and he has a 2018 assault and battery, where his mother was also the complaining witness. We also see that there's an overlap of Mr. Ward's sister and two different men. Your Honor, we see that there's a danger to the family. These are older allegations, Your Honor. We would not have discussion of personal if there were a tether with no contact with the complaining witnesses and their addresses.
Okay. For the defense.
Your Honor, the biggest thing here, one, Mr. Green does have he does have a Detroit address and he's like a resident, but he's been staying with the complaining witness for the past 7 months. This is an older case, so I would ask for assaultive contact. He is employed as a landscaper, and he's 35 years old with no prior conviction. So we do ask for personal bond, but without the
No assault contact.
Okay. All right. Sir, the court has reviewed the investigator's reports on both matters and has heard representation from the people as well as defense counsel. These are very serious assaultive allegations. Court does find you to be a danger, specifically to the complainants here, one being your mother, one being your sister. These two cases took place approximately 2 months apart, seeming to be some sort of an escalation taking place. Court heard representation from the people that there was a 2018 matter where an assaultive matter where one of these complainants was the complainant in that matter. The court has reviewed the investigator's report and seen where one of the complainants indicates that there have been several reports made to the police between you and these complainants over the past few years. And so the court has some serious concerns about the safety of these particular people. Court has heard representation from defense counsel regarding community ties and employment status as it relates to your ability to post bond. Court has some serious concerns here, sir. Let me start by saying you're not to have any contact at all with Dominique Green or Chantel Rutledge. No physical or verbal contact, no contact by way of text or social media, no contact with their places of employment or residence. And so Mr. Gregory, it's not no assaultive contact, it's no contact.
Your Honor, if I may, I just want to try to, again, stress that, look, I understand the allegations. Please take into consideration the actions of the complainant. The actions of the complainant is due to their belief that he is not a danger.
The complainants say that he's not a danger?
The actions of the complainant.
Okay, go ahead.
After, which in this case is them letting him reside with them. Or at some Your Honor, he does understand, the allegations and seriousness of them, but he also does request that he be allowed to have no assault contract and continue on as in the same manner that he was.
I believe that the behavior complaint witnesses say that they do think that he is a danger and that they have multiple times called the police on him. As far as him staying there, they are his family members. The one complaint witness, that's her son. So, I mean, it could be just that she loves him and doesn't want him to be on the street. I don't think we can draw conclusions as far as why she let him stay there. But as far as calling the police on people, that indicates a belief that someone is doing this.
Well, this court happens to agree with that.
Your Honor, I would ask him for his one-time police escort so that Mr. Green can be able to retrieve his belongings.
Okay, so, sir, no contact at all with Dominique Green or Chantel Rutledge. You're not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons. Court is ordering a GPS tether. That is with house arrest. Okay, I know that the people have requested as well, defense as well, have requested a personal bond. The court also takes into consideration prior criminal history, including assaultive convictions where at least one of these complainants was the victim. The court finds that a personal bond is not sufficient to.
Your Honor, there's no prior criminal conviction.
He has no prior criminal convictions?
That's correct.
I'm looking at habitual offender third offense notice. You have both cases?
I have just been made aware of that, Your Honor. I just got the other case.
Okay. I called both cases and the people made representations regarding the 2018 offense. So the court does find that personal bond will probably not be sufficient to protect these particular complainants. As to case number 220-45564, bond on that matter is going to be set at $7,500, 10%. And on the other matter, having allegedly taken place 2 months later, the bond, sir, is being set in the amount of $15,000, 10%. If these are unaffordable for your client, we will have a bond redetermination hearing scheduled for this Friday, July 10th at 9 o'clock in front of Chief Judge McConaughey. Okay.
And Your Honor, I just want to, prior that 2021 and 2018 resisting approaching.
Right, where we've been told that one of these complainants was a complainant in that matter, having called the police on that matter. That's why they were there. The bond redetermination hearing, sir, is July 7th. We have a pretrial date on case number 220-45564 on August 28th, 2023, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Bryant. On the other matter,
Thank you.
230-55139, you have a probable cause date of July 12th, preliminary exam date of July 19th, 2023, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Jefferson. All right, sir, you may step away from the camera. And we have somebody here. Hold on, let's see if this is for Miller.